Are you looking for the best ABS filament brands 2023? In this video we will look at some of the best ABS filament brands 2023 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Polymaker ABS Filament 1.75mm Teal ABS. Polymaker's Polylite ABS filament is a premium filament option designed for better and safer printability than the average ABS filaments. It produces less odor and harmful fumes during the printing process, making it the ideal option for anyone who needs to print ABS in their living areas. It also has great color consistency and matching. All of its filament colors are based on Pantones, a color matching system widely used in the print and design industries, with matching RGB values and hex codes. Not only does this ensure a rigorous standard for matching shades from one batch to another during manufacturing, but also ensures that users know exactly what shade to expect. This filament also has excellent layer adhesion and bed adhesion, two of the most common issues with ABS. It is also very dimensionally stable, meaning it won't warp or shrink during the printing process like some lower quality filaments. Overall, it results in high quality prints that require less post-processing, which can save you both time and money. At number 2. HATCHBOX ABS 3D Printer. For a multipurpose ABS 3D printer filament, HATCHBOX ABS is an excellent choice. Available in over 20 colors, including specialty colors like glow in the dark and glitter, and with good quality, you can easily make this your go-to brand for pretty much any project. HATCHBOX's recommended nozzle temperature range for their ABS filament is rather low at 210 degrees Celsius, 240 degrees Celsius. This means it's the perfect option for 3D printers without an all-metal hot end, since the PTFE tubing in non-all-metal hot ends starts to melt after 240 degrees Celsius. If you don't have the best hot end and aren't ready to upgrade your parts just yet, HATCHBOX ABS will likely still work with your stock 3D printer. HATCHBOX also has a high level of accuracy with a dimensional accuracy of 0.03 mm. This is extremely important for fit and function, as well as for 3D printing moving parts. If the filament isn't accurate, your moving parts may not fit together properly or may not move as smoothly as they should. With so many color and quality options available, HATCHBOX ABS is one of the best budget ABS filament brands for any 3D printing project. At number 3. OVERTURE ABS Filament. Affordable and formulated for greater ease of use, OVERTURE ABS is one of the best ABS filaments for beginner ABS users. It is designed to have fewer odors and warping during 3D printing without compromising any of the strength and durability expected of ABS. The 3D printer filament has decent dimensional accuracy, with it measuring at 0.05 mm using advanced CCD diameter measuring. Coupled with their 24-hour drying period for all spools, OVERTURE ABS filament provides a smooth 3D printing experience free of bubbling, clogging, tangling, or jamming. OVERTURE's website also offers discounts when you buy in bulk, so if you go through a lot of filament on the regular, this could be an economical option for you. At number 4. SUNLU ABS Filament 1.75mm. If you need an ABS filament that doesn't run quite so hard on your 3D printer, try SUNLU's ABS products. While they are a bit lacking in color options, they have one of the lowest temperature ranges of any of the other filaments on this list. With a recommended range of 230 degrees Celsius, 240 degrees Celsius for the nozzle temp, SUNLU ABS is one of the best ABS filament options for a 3D printer without an all-metal hot end. Their 0.02 mm dimensional accuracy means their spools are manufactured with a low margin for error. Their filaments are also dried for 24 hours before packaging, meaning the spools come out of the bag ready to print and with no worries about possible bubbling or jamming. If you're looking for a filament that is easy to use and doesn't require a lot of post-printing work, SUNLU ABS is a great option. At number 5. eSUN 1.75mm Gray ABS Plus 3D Printer. eSUN offers 3 different types of ABS filaments. Their basic ABS 3D printer filament is made from standard ABS resin and has good toughness, scratch resistance, and heat tolerance. Their ABS line is designed for smoother flow and printability, while their ABS Max products take this a step farther by decreasing warping and cracking and improving overall durability. Like other ABS 3D printer filament brands, eSUN ABS Filament can be post-process smoothed with acetone vapor. In addition to having over 20 color options available, eSUN ABS Filament takes added color well. If you prefer to paint your whole model, for example on 3D printed cosplay armor, or just at the details, you'll get great adhesion with this product. You can buy them in 1 kg or 3 kg spools. This is a good option if you print a lot of large prints, since you don't have to change out the spool mid-print for big projects with the 3 kg roll. At number 6. Amazon Basics ABS 3D Printer Filament. Amazon Basics ABS is one of the more average ABS filaments for makers on a small budget. Produced to reduce printer jamming and vacuum packaged to reduce moisture absorption, it takes away some of the problems experienced with cheap no-name ABS filament. They don't list their dimensional accuracy or much about their manufacturing process. While the quality is generally good, the user reviews indicate that quality control from batch to batch can be an issue. Amazon Basics ABS is worth including on this list due to its adequate quality and wide availability, but not one we recommend over the other options on this list.